let's take another VSAQ now. That is, form the quadratic equation whose roots are 2 plus root 3 and 2 minus root 3. So roots are given to us and we need to find the quadratic equation. So first let us write given roots. Roots are nothing but the values of x. Okay. So given roots are 2 plus root 3 and 2 minus root 3. So let's say alpha is 2 plus root 3 and beta is 2 minus root 3. So when roots are given, how to find out the quadratic polynomial or quadratic equation? You can form a quadratic equation by this formula. X square minus of alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta is equal to 0. So here alpha plus beta is sum of the roots and alpha beta is product of the roots. Okay, so first we need to find out sum of the roots, that is 2 plus root 3 plus 2 minus root 3. Root 3 minus root 3 get cancelled, that is 4. And now we find product of the roots, that is 2 plus root 3 into 2 minus root 3. It is in a plus b into a minus b form. So the formula is a square minus b square. So 2 square is 4 minus root 3 square is 3. So that is 1. Now substituting alpha plus beta and alpha beta in this formula. So that is x square minus 4x plus 1 is equal to 0. This is the quadratic equation. Now you see, this is the next question. Form a quadratic equation whose roots are 7 plus or minus 2 root 5. So let us first write down what are the given roots. So given roots are 7 plus or minus 2 root 5 means one root is 7 plus 2 root 5 and the other root is 7 minus 2 root 5. So let us denote them with alpha and beta. So alpha is 7 plus 2 root 5 and beta is 7 minus 2 root 5. Okay, so first let us find out sum of the roots. Sum of the roots is alpha plus beta. That is, we need to add both of them. So 7 plus 2 root 5 plus 7 minus 2 root 5. Plus 2 root 5 minus 2 root 5 cancel. 7 plus 7 is 14. Now let us find out product of the roots. Product of the roots is alpha beta. That is 7 plus 2 root 5 into 7 minus 2 root 5. It is in the form a square a plus b into a minus b. Formula is a square minus b square. So 7 square minus 2 root 5 whole square. 7 square is 49 minus how to find 2 root 5 whole square? 2 square is 4. Root 5 square is 5. So that is 49 minus 20 which is equal to 29. Therefore quadratic equation is x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta is equal to 0, which implies x square minus alpha plus beta, we got it as 14. 14x plus alpha beta is 29 equals to 0. This is the required equation. So this is the next question. Form a quadratic equation whose roots are 2 root 3 minus 5 and minus 2 root 3 minus 5. So first let us write down given roots. Given roots are 2 root 3 minus 5 and minus 2 root 3 minus 5. So let us say alpha is 2 root 3 minus 5 and beta is minus 2 root 3 minus 5. First let us find out sum of the roots. Sum of the roots is 2 root 3 minus 5. We are adding them. So minus 2 root 3 minus 5. Now plus 2 root 3 minus 2 root 3 cancel. Minus 5 is minus 10. Because when two numbers are negative, we add and keep negative sign. So alpha beta is 2 root 3 minus 5 into minus 2 root 3 minus 5. It is in the form a plus b into a minus b. So a square minus b square. So 2 root 3 whole square minus 5 whole square. 2 square is 4 and root 3 square is 3. 4 threes are 12 minus 25. So that is minus 13. So the equation is x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta is equal to 0. So that is x square plus 10x minus 13 is equal to 0. So take this question, form a quadratic equation whose roots are minus 3 plus or minus 5i. So first we will write given roots. Given roots are minus 3 plus 5i and minus 3 minus 5i. So alpha is minus 3 plus 5i and beta is minus 3 minus 5i. First let us find out alpha plus beta. So add these two, minus 3 plus 5i minus 3 minus 5i. Plus 5i minus 5i get cancelled. Minus 3 will become minus 6. Now we find alpha beta. Minus 3 plus 5i into minus 3 minus 5i. Now you can see it is in the form a plus b into a minus b. In the place of a you have minus 3 and in the place of b you have 5i. So we apply the formula a square minus b square. So minus 3 whole square minus 5i whole square. That is 9 minus 25i square. But we know that I square is minus 1 from complex numbers. So that is 9 plus 25 which is equal to 34. Therefore, quadratic equation is, formula is x square minus of alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta is equal to 0. So the final answer is x square minus alpha plus beta is minus 6. So minus into minus will become plus 6 plus 34 is equal to 0. This is the final answer. So this is the question. Form a quadratic equation whose roots are p minus q by p plus q and minus of p plus q by p minus q. So first let us write given roots are. Here itself we will write alpha is equal to p minus q by p plus q and beta is minus of p plus q by p minus q. So first let us find alpha plus beta. P minus q by p plus q minus p plus q by p minus q. Denominators are not same, so we take LCM. So we have to cross multiply. Now p minus q whole square minus p plus q whole square. And denominator will be p plus q into p minus q. Now if you open the brackets, p square plus q square minus 2pq minus, see here in p plus q whole square you get all positive. But here before bracket you have a minus sign. So minus p square minus q square minus 2pq by p plus q into p minus q is p square minus q square. So p square plus q square minus q square cancel. So you get minus 2pq is minus 4pq by p square minus q square. This is sum of the roots. Now we find product of the roots. So p minus q by p plus q into minus of p plus q by p minus q. So this p plus q cancel, p minus q cancel. You are left over with only minus 1. So now we shall substitute those values in the quadratic equation, that is x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta is equal to 0. So that is x square minus 4pq by, it's p square minus q square minus 1 is equal to 0. But this is not the final answer. Denominators are not same. We need to take the LCM. So p square minus q square into x square minus 4pq minus p square minus q square is equal to 0. I took the LCM here. So now the next topic is nature of roots. So we have seen that we can find the roots by a formula, that is minus b plus or minus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a. Okay, you can find the roots by this formula. But without finding the complete root, how to comment on the roots? Like how to find the nature of the roots? That is with the help of discriminant. So discriminant is denoted by either d or delta, and its value is b square minus 4ac. So everything depends on this b square minus 4ac. If b square minus 4ac, like if delta or d is equal to 0, then you can say that roots are real and equal. And if discriminant is greater than 0, that is if you are getting a positive value, then roots are real and distinct. Distinct or unequal, anything you can say. And if discriminant is negative, that is if it is less than 0, then roots are imaginary. Imaginary means they are complex roots. They occur in conjugate pairs. What do you mean by conjugate pairs? If one is a plus ib, the other will be a minus ib. Let's take a question based on nature of the roots. Find the nature of the roots of 3x square plus 7x plus 2 is equal to 0. So how to start this? First you write the given quadratic equation. Given quadratic equation is 3x square plus 7x plus 2 is equal to 0. From the quadratic equation we can find ABC values. A is coefficient of x square, that is 3. B is coefficient of x, that is 7. C is the constant term, that is 2. Now let us find out discriminant. So what is discriminant? B square minus 4ac is the discriminant. So substitute the values, you get 7 square minus 4 into 3 into 2. That is 49 minus 24. That is 25. Okay. And 25 is positive, right? So discriminant, you got it as positive. Therefore, roots are real and distinct. Distinct means unequal. Now take another model. Next question. If alpha comma beta are the roots of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, then find 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta. So whenever this kind of questions come, like they say alpha beta are the roots of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, then we have to do this way. So first you write given equation. This is the standard equation which is given. Given equation is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So sum of the roots is given by, we have a formula. For sum of the roots it is minus b by a, and product of the roots is c by a. We have learned this in 10th grade also. Okay, so sum of the roots is minus b by a, product of the roots is c by a. So we have to do these three steps whenever if alpha beta are the roots of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 is given. Now let us move on to the part what he is asking us to do. So he is asking us to find 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta. If you take the LCM, you get beta plus alpha by alpha beta. Beta plus alpha is same as Alpha plus beta, no, this is alpha plus beta and this is alpha beta. So alpha plus beta value is minus b by a by c by a. We can cancel a and a. So the answer is minus b by c.